Open the Insert tab. Click on the Insert tab at the top of the Word window. Select Header. Click on the Header option. Choose a header style. Select a header style from the options provided. Edit Header. Type your desired text, like your last name, in the header area. Add page number, optional. Go back to the Insert tab, select Page Number, choose Top of Page, and pick a position. Finalize Header. Click outside the header area to save your changes. Thanks for watching it. It helps make sure to hit like and subscribe.